Samsung introduced the budget Galaxy A11, triple camera, capacious battery, and fast fingerprint scanner. Samsung Electronics has introduced a new smartphone Galaxy A11 related to the budget level. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.4 inches Infinity O display with HD Plus resolution, 720 by 1560 pixels. A front camera embedded on the left corner of the display, a triple main camera, a fingerprint scanner, 2 or 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal flash memory, a 4000 mAh battery with support for charging power of 15 watts. The device measures 161.4 by 76.3 by 8 mm and weighs 177 grams. 4 color options are available: black, white, blue and red. Samsung Galaxy A11 with ultra-wide camera and selfie until night time. The image quality of the Samsung Galaxy A11 camera is similar to the price offered, but the presence of an ultra-wide lens provides more value. Samsung Galaxy A11 is an entry-level class smartphone from Samsung that was recently released to the market. Despite being in the class at an affordable price, Samsung still provides quite a lot of camera setups. On the back, the Galaxy A11 is equipped with 3 cameras at once. The 3 cameras are including a 13 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. The presence of an ultra-wide camera is enough to provide better value for the Galaxy A11 and gives users more opportunities to be creative. While the front camera, there is only one fruit that is stored in punch hole or what Samsung calls Infinity O. This front camera was purchased with an 8 megapixel resolution sensor, but the video recording capability up to FHD. In addition to hardware, the software in the Galaxy A11 also provides quite a large selection of modes such as panoramic, live focus, photo mode, and manual mode. So what can the Samsung Galaxy A11 camera do? This mode is most practical automatic photo feature to use without so many settings. In this mode, users can have regular lens or use an ultra-wide camera to get a wider angle. If the photo object is too far away, the user can directly zoom up to 8x digitally. Like most digital zoom systems, the image is not so good following the zoom even further. If not in the zoom, the picture is fairly good in the middle of good light and no backlight. The autofocus system must be admittedly not so fast for photos that are too intensive. One of the advantages of this Galaxy A11 camera, this ultra-wide camera can provide a wider shooting angle than an ordinary camera. So this ultra-wide camera is perfect for taking pictures that require a broad view, such as landscape photos, family photos, or creating a first-person effect. The front camera of the Galaxy A11 has a picture that is actually quite good. The front camera of the Galaxy A11 has a picture that is actually quite good, although the quality is not much different from the rear camera, but one that is quite interesting from the front camera of the Galaxy A11 is that, in addition to photos with standard mode, there is also an ultra-wide mode. This mode can produce selfie with a slightly wider mode, even though there is only one front camera, so that the selfie camera of the Galaxy A11 is very suitable for selfie photos with friends or relatives quite a lot. Galaxy A11 still offers Pro mode or manual mode. Although not too many things can be arranged, there are 3 things that can be set in the manual mode of the Galaxy A11 camera, namely ISO, white balance, and exposure value. In ISO modes, users can adjust ISO settings from 100 to 800. Whereas on white balance, users can set options from the blue one, 2300 Kelvin, to the very yellow one, 10,000 Kelvin. While the standard exposure value selection, which is between -2 to 2. Although the Pro mode settings on the Galaxy A11 are quite small, at least the presence of Pro mode can provide flexibility for its users. The unfortunate Samsung Galaxy A11 does not have a special mode for night photos or low light conditions, so that the night users can use photo mode or manual mode. The photo results are indeed in line with expectations given the chipset and price of the Galaxy A11. The rear camera is still quite capable of capturing the available light source, although it is minimal, but the noise results are still very clearly in the pictures, which are still reasonable for this smartphone class. While the front camera also looks very trying to capture images, even if it's under a lamp, the image is unstable and out of focus. Clearly, the selfie camera from the Galaxy A11 is trying to balance the amount of light coming from only one light source. The front and rear cameras of the Galaxy A11 can do video recording, especially for the rear camera. There are two cameras that can be used for video recording, namely the main camera and ultra-wide camera. So by using an ultra-wide camera, users can take videos with wide effects. But all the cameras, both front and rear, do not get stabilization either with electronics or optics. So the results of the video, while it is running, can be sure to vibrate and shake. The camera on the Galaxy A11 is indeed not to the most favored because the image quality is not special. The photos from the various modes produce the quality that is very standard in the price class. But the presence of a number of modes providing enough space for creative with the Galaxy A11 camera. Moreover, the presence of an ultra-wide camera is very helpful for taking pictures that require a video angle of view, such as landscape photos. The front camera also has a wide viewing angle, make it suitable for taking pictures with large numbers of people. For the price class, the features of the Galaxy A11 camera are sufficient to meet most shooting scenarios. Although, this camera is not suitable for those who want image and good aesthetic value. When talking about image quality, user expectations must adjust to the price of Galaxy A11. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and tell us your thoughts in the comment section. For more tech news and updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.